It's ABC time. Let's read. A is for apple, crunch. B is for ball, bounce. C is for car, beep beep. D is for dog, woof. E is for egg, crack. F is for frog, ribbit. G is for grapes, yummy. H is for hat, tada. I is for ice, brr. J is for juice, sip, sip. K is for key, unlock. L is for lemon, sour. M is for mouse, squeak. N is for nose, sniff. O is for crew, crew. P is for plant, green. Q is for quilt, cozy. R is for robot, beep boop. S is for star, twinkle. T is for train, choo choo. U is for unicorn, magic. V is for van, zoom. W is for watch, tick tock. X is for x-ray, see inside. Y is for yo-yo, whoosh. Z is for zipper, zip. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Follow us for more.